Morning, South Africa. I hope you're well. Listen, it's Easter in a day or two, and it's that time of the year where parents have to go and buy Easter accessories for the Easter egg hunt happening. And my question to you today is, South Africa, where are you buying your supplies? The best I've seen so far is 90 Rand or 100 Rand for a box of Easter eggs, which is not really crazy because that's the price was last year and the year before. But is there anyone that knows about a secret place that's got a bit of a hideout that can maybe tell us, listen, hey, we know a guy that knows a guy that supplies us. So comment down below and hit me up if you know about a chocolate connoisseur that can get us better prices on Easter eggs. And if you're one of those people like, oh, I thought you're a Christian family, why are you celebrating a bunny? No. Please do not misinform or misunderstand us. We celebrate Jesus Christ, his death and resurrection, and we have fun with the Easter bunny because it's just fun to live once and to enjoy life. My kids and my family knows there's only one Lord and Savior, it's Jesus Christ. But my Lord and Savior is not inferior to bunnies. He allows us to enjoy bunnies on Easter. Okay, so we're going to go chase the bunny on Easter. My kid's going to do that. It's going to be fun. And the bunny is not the reason for the season. The reason is Jesus. So let's just get that out of the way because I always get those comments. Christians, oh, it's a heathen holiday. You don't know. Relax yourself. If that is how you want to be, you shouldn't even be on TikTok because TikTok was founded by non-Christians that had nothing to do with Jesus. So just relax yourself. In this house, Jesus Christ is Lord of all. But hit me up if you have a connection with Easter eggs. Thank you.